Solve for x. 5 times 4 to the x minus 3 equals 80. All right, well, I got to get x all by itself. Let's first get rid of that 5 that's being multiplied to everything by dividing it from both sides. So now we have 4 to the x minus 3 equals 8 divided by 5, which is 16. Now, x is an exponent trapped up here. I have to get rid of the base 4. So how do I get rid of the base 4? Log base 4 both sides. Log base 4 both sides. That crosses out. Drops down the x minus 3. Now, log base 4 of 16, oh, you know what I can do? I can rewrite 16 as 4 squared. And log base 4 of 4, like I just saw up here, crosses out. So x minus 3 is going to equal 2. Add 3, and x is going to equal 5. So I go up here and I plug it in. Everything's fine. You know it's going to work out. The answer is going to be C, x equals 5. You only really need to check your work by plugging it in when you have like logs in the original problem. You know, even if I got a negative exponent, that's okay. I'm just not allowed to have a log of a negative or a log of a 0. We didn't have to see that here. All is good. The answer is C. C is 5.